Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, November 14th. Another very mild day here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Temperatures way up in the 60s already in parts of the Mid-Atlantic, headed towards near 70 in some spots. And this mild weather will continue on Tuesday as well. However, that'll be followed by a significant rain event later Tuesday night and Wednesday. In fact, it'll be the most rain we've had all month, as it's been a rather dry month up till now. But this significant midweek rain event will then be followed by cold weather, way below normal for Thursday and Friday, and then that will be followed by another weekend warming trend, just like we experienced this past weekend. Well, let's take a look at the latest surface map and discuss the players on the field right now. First of all, we talked about this late last week, how a broad southwesterly flow of air would develop here in the eastern part of the country once that high pressure system moves off the east coast. And in fact, there is such a flow right now, and it's mild not only in the southeast and mid-Atlantic, but all the way up into New England as well. And that mild trend, again, will continue tomorrow. Now, there's a frontal system right now in the Midwest. This front moves to the east, and it could cause a shower or two, nothing more than a couple of showers over the next 24 to 36 hours or so. But once that front sets up here in the Mid-Atlantic region, it'll act as a boundary zone along which a strong low-pressure system will move along by the midweek time frame. Low pressure during the day tomorrow should develop here in the Tennessee Valley and ride right up along that front and give a soaking rain to Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City later Tuesday night into Wednesday. Then that colder air mass behind the front will move in for Thursday and Friday. But like this past week, it will not stick around. We'll begin another warming trend this upcoming weekend. Here's the latest visible satellite image from the Penn State eWall site. There are partly cloudy skies right now east of the mountains, all the way from Washington to New York City. They're experiencing some limited sunshine along with some high clouds. Meanwhile, there's a deck of very solid clouds in the upstate part of Pennsylvania, as well as western New York and eastern Ohio. And in fact, there's quite an area of precipitation in that part of the Mid-Atlantic region. However, most of that cloudiness and rain will fall to the north and west of the big cities over the next 24 hours or so. Let's now take a look at the latest radar. Here's the latest radar loop. And again, there are quite a few showers right now in northwestern Pennsylvania, but they're all on a track that should hold most of the precipitation north and west of the big cities. There may be a shower or two today, tonight, and tomorrow, but the steady rain holds off until later Tuesday night and then continues on the day Wednesday. Well, let's see how the GFS Global Forecast System computer forecast model handles this upcoming significant rain event. All in all, actually, I think it's doing quite a good job, and it's been rather consistent with a soaking rain for the Mid-Atlantic from Tuesday night through the day on Wednesday. This is the forecast map for Tuesday morning, tomorrow morning, and there is a little bit of precipitation here associated with this frontal system that will set up. However, the more impressive precipitation is now starting to form in the south-central part of the U.S. That whole frontal system lies by tomorrow morning from New England all the way down into the lower part of the Tennessee Valley. And here is where the low-pressure area will develop. In fact, let's now jump ahead to the computer map for Tuesday night. And here is the more impressive area now starting to form. Here, this is early Tuesday evening computer map. Still a little bit of precipitation. Again, a shower or two at any time over the next 24 to 36 hours. But the heaviest precipitation is setting up here tomorrow evening in the south-central part of the U.S. And by Wednesday, we'll take a look now, this comes right into the Mid-Atlantic region. And here's the Wednesday morning GFS model. And there's the low-pressure area forming right along this frontal system that extends all the way down in a fashion like that. And this area of heavy precipitation looks like it's headed right up the Mid-Atlantic region, right up I-95, later Tuesday night into Wednesday. So it looks like a couple of very mild days to begin the week, Monday and Tuesday, and then a significant rain event Tuesday night and Wednesday, followed by cold air. But once again, that cold air will only be a couple of days event on Thursday and Friday, and then we'll begin another warming trend this weekend. Well, that's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.